Hey guys, what's up? Silver Game of Thrones. So I keep buying this 10 ounce silver bars, 10 ounce silver bars. This is from Dallas Gold and Silver Exchange. I'm hunting them everywhere. They're so unique bars. So remember, I did a review on there are two things to talk about this. The first one, what is the company name? And the company name is Elemental. Elemental. This is a company who producing them. And there is another company which is the Elemental. You see, Elemental. This is actually the company name. And there is another company which is the Dallas Gold and Silver Exchange, So I believe that Elemental is making these bars and they sell it through this Dallas Gold Silver Exchange. But I went on both, elemental.com and Dallas Gold Silver Exchange. I don't see they selling, these bars. It's only I found online on eBay, and the name of this guy is Insta31. I give links, below for all what I'm talking about, for the companies and who is selling them. So you can basically see what I'm talking about. So this bar pushes around $200, and these two bars, I think this is still we have. These two already gone. You cannot find them anywhere, And I believe this Liberty bar, was sold like 2,000 pieces. They sell it like in 1 week. It's gone, and it's so beautiful bar. And I'm hunting now this capsule, I cannot find a cheap capsule. I was buying like 2 years ago, it was $1 a piece. Now they are very expensive, so I'm still buying them. So, this Liberty, I already did my review. You can look, it's a Freedom. It's a Freedom lady on the front. And this is like Polish bar, you see? It's so cool. One thing I want to show you how you check with my magnet, If you have piece of magnet, like this, and you put it even on the top, you see how it's moving slow? You see, you can do your check like this, Even with this plastic, it's moving slow. So this is one thing to validate with the silver, you see? Yeah, and the back side is all these details, atomic number 47, atomic mass 107 something, atomic symbol Ag silver, electron configuration KR something, right? And then we have a diagram of electron bottom right, And this new has the same actually design. This is why I like it, So let's open it and see. Let's see what we have here. So you see silver bar Elemental, and it's color Elemental, eBay. They sell it only on eBay. You see Dallas Gold Silver Exchange, fine silver bar, Elemental, blah, blah, blah. Oh, there's so many numbers, ID numbers, work ID. And this bar, I want to say a couple of words about the second bar which I bought. You see, it has in Texas We Trust, Dallas Gold Silver Exchange, guarantee buyback, and even phone number. This is what I was impressed, Have you ever seen phone number on a silver? It's like in 1,000 years, silver is not going destroyed. So someone will see this phone number, because silver lasts 1,000 years. And come and take it. It's like this series of Spartan, right? Spartan, come and take it. Molon Lave, come and take it. I also like it. Yeah, so they are very cool bars. So let's open this one and see, and see this one close. Yeah, let me see where I can open it. Packed very well. Okay. It's the same design and the same packages I see over and over and over. Have to open them. Okay, finally. No, get out. Yeah. Ag silver. You see, this, it's kind of, yeah, Yeah, this side is different. You see, this side is different. On one we see elemental, on another you see freedom lady, but this side is the same. So I see this as a collection. So if you, anybody of you guys, you know, collect this 10-ounce silver bar, you know, you're welcome. I like this 10-ounce silver bar. This is a wealth preservation. This is the best wealth preservation. It preserves your wealth in 10 ounce. Like 10-ounce silver for me, it's 0.1 ounce of gold. This is how I see it, you know. Of course, it can be up and can be down, and more or less, you know, 0.1 like fraction gold, and this is 10 ounce of silver. It's right now. Tomorrow, of course, it will be different. Tomorrow, silver will go up. For sure, we know it will break, you know, back to silver gold ratio. So yeah, so you see, this is elemental 999 silver 10 ounce Troy, and it has this what I see it, yeah, it's a logo and URL with text. You see 999 fine silver 10 Troy ounce logo, and reserve display atomic structure of silver, very similar 47, atomic mass, atomic symbol, Ag serial, electron configuration, Kr something, and electron diagram. It's a perfect condition, you know. It's kind of polished, you know. I see it. Even this, you know, Golden State Mint bar, they are not in this condition, you know. They are really, you know, they have this milk spot everywhere. But this bar are ideal bars. Ideal bars. I highly recommend them if someone collects this bar. So let's check it. Like, okay, so yeah, it's moving slowly. You see, this is, yeah, the sound. Yeah, sound is silver sound. I can already see. Yeah, move slowly. Yeah, and I also double check with my guy, precious metal. Gold, silver, 3.9, right? Yeah, it's a 3.9. Right. Okay, ready? Yeah, it's a pure silver and beautiful silver, and I highly recommend it, guys. And I will give you a link, okay, for what I was talking about. And I believe this one is gone already, but you still can buy this one, you know, come and take it. Yeah, this one is still for sale. So I'm glad to have the 3 bars and as one collection. And I like all these bars, you know, to have in collection. And I believe silver bars is 10-ounce silver bar is the best bar you can buy, you know, for the wealth preservation. Okay, guys, it was short, it was nice, and to the topic, and enjoy. Put your comments, and don't forget about my GAO on this weekend. I believe it will be Sunday, one more day, not Saturday, Sunday. But anyway, I will put comments, you know, who is the winner. So don't worry if you missed it. Thank you very much. Silver Game of Thrones is out.